In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install the Discord, which is software based on your laptop or on your PC. So let's get started. First of all, just head over to Google or any of your favorite browser and just open up google.com. I'm using Chrome for this, and just right here, Discord download, here it is. And just click on this official website right at the top. And once we are in the screen, click on download for Windows. It's that simple, and it will immediately start downloading on your right hand side. And once it is downloaded, you can start installing the software. Click on run, and then you want to select any kind of default browser. Click on just once, and now we see a welcome screen. Let me just quickly enter my email or password that I remember. You might need to verify you're a human, and sometimes it just doesn't log in the first time because the new location is detected. So let's check our email and confirm from there. Yes, we have received the email. The only thing which you need to do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on verify login. And now it is authorized. I've just done it from my mobile, and as you can see, I am able to log in. Just agree to the terms and services and policy updates. Click on agree, and that's how you do it. This is how we can download and install Discord in Windows 11. In the next series of videos, what we'll do is we will learn all the functions related to Discord. So if you are new to the channel, just subscribe immediately to the channel so that you can not miss any update on Discord learning videos. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.